Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Obviously today we're going to be discussing about the Velociraptors.
Yay!
Okay, that's a bit delayed, but yeah. We have here this is from the original Jurassic World. I believe this is a Dino Rivals Charlie or Echo. I can't even tell anymore. It's kind of loose, the legs are a bit loose now, but this is a Dino Rival and this is a Camp Cretaceous Charlie or Echo again, I don't know. We're discussing about Charlies because of the new Legacy Collection Berry SEMBÈNE. We just got it at Target. SEMBÈNE, I guess. ATV Chase Pack. And there's Charlie, the back says Charlie. So we're all discussing about the green Velociraptor. Right there, Velociraptor Charlie. I think this is Owen Grady's friend from the first Jurassic World. And then the Dominion, he came back from Dominion. But he didn't show up from Fallen Kingdom. So anyways, let's unbox it. Alright, so while unboxing this, of course I'd like to say thank you for the subscriptions and the likes on the video. Oh wow, they really glued it so hard. My goodness.
What happened, Dad?
They glued it so hard, sweetheart. Yeah.
Why did I get that, so?
At Target. Ah, hang on. Alright, I got it. Pull it out. It's got a nice box inside. Look at the background. It's all jungle, like a rainforest. It comes with a gun, with a rifle. Alright.
I don't want to play it.
Alright, let's take him out. And Sypha's trying to take it away from me already. Oh wait, it's a rubber band. Alright, I think let's take out Charlie first. Yeah, he's easier. Let's compare to the other Charlies. Alright, this one has a darker green. Let's check the DNA scan. There you go. Let's go get the other Charlies. Let's get the one. So they definitely change it. They update the color again. So this one's a crouching one. Let's see this guy from Camp Cretaceous. This one has a feature to strike arms. It's pretty old already, so that's why it's not working that much. So it does that and there's no sound. The legs are loose now. And let's check the Camp Cretaceous. It seems like the same exact model. They just updated, they just probably carved this, put the DNA scan over here, and did a new paint job. Yeah. Alright. So there you guys have it for the Charlies. Now let's check Barry. Oh, okay. Looks like he's on a rubber band there. So. Alright, why is his head like that? So weird. Oh, does he have a hair or is he bald? Okay, I guess he has hair, but... Yeah, that is hair. They tie his arms there so he won't come off. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty cool ATV. Okay, Sypha wants it, so she's gonna get it. There we go. Let's take the gun out. Get out. That's really... Oh, gosh. Okay, it comes with a scope. Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today. Oh, wait. So where's our new one? So here's the new one. Okay.
I'm done.
Alright, so next video we should probably do the Hesperosaurus from Epic Evolution. It looks like a Stegosaurus. But I can't promise that we'll do it, but we'll see. Alright, so thanks again guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a raptor video again, but Mattel keeps making Velociraptors. They can't stop making it. And I think the next one will be like a truck that comes with a Velociraptor. Yeah, another Velociraptor. Alright. So thanks again guys. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and thank you so much. Bye.
Daddy,